We're at West 156. I think it's 4332 West 156. Update video. You can see we're moving on this. We get all the outside painted here. All this done. You can see they're working on it now. Go inside here. Pretty much got the inside all painted. Here's all the material, the bathroom material, there's the new vanities, all the materials here. They're putting on the, how's good? Tell them how it's going, Les.
Oh, it's going good. Hey, we're looking to be up out of here in about 12, 13 days.
Great.
And we're gonna push it.
We got all painted here. Here's our saw. And here's all the stuff. He's putting in new
Hinges.
doors and hinges. They're gonna look like this. So there's one and there's those. They'll look really good. And you can see all this is painted and done.
Oh, that's working out better. Okay.
Yeah, Jay's working on the stuff there. We got all this. Say hey, Jay.
Hey, how you doing?
So we got all that. Let's go in the kitchen.
New storm doors we're gonna put up today.
Okay. So you can see all the cabinets are getting redone. Here's a new water heater we're putting in. So we're getting that one gone. You guys taking it out. Here's all the new plumbing that we put in. Let's go upstairs. Really moving along well. Here's all, like I said, all the materials here. We like to do that so we can move as fast as we can on these. Again, here's a bathroom, there's a shower, vanity, there's a toilet. So that's all getting put in here. Here's all the material to build in that. So he's got all the lumber here. And all this is painted. The new lights are all put in. Plugs and switches are being put in. We like the LEDs. So it's really nice. So again, this is your update video. If you have any questions, call me. I'm Brett. Thanks. Key Realty. Have a great day. Thank you.